love you long time, yeah, long time. I gonna love you long time. Oh.
I'm back doing another video. This is the first time you see my face on the screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and press the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notification on, so you can see I post and that's on YouTube post. Then let's go back up right now and give this video a like. So today I'm going to be unboxing another bag. So this is part of like the Black Friday deals. So I got a bag from Guess. This is like my second Guess bag. I saw they was having like a good sale, so I was just like, you know what? Let me buy something because I found something that was cute. So this is how they wrapped it. For some reason, I thought it was gonna be in a dust bag, like how the Michael Kors bags be in and the other brands. But the picture just says Guess all around it. So I open here it is. You also get a thank you card and your So this bag originally cost $98. I got it on sale for $32. Well, technically, it was on sale for $58, but I used the Black Friday code and got it for $32. So that's a steal right there. Now I was debating whether or not if I want to get the big one or get the small one, and I already had opened it already. It is a beautiful bag. It's like a velvet bag. It's not like really soft like a velvet material, but here's the bag. I kind of want to get the smaller one because I don't know. I mean, it's a nice bag, but I feel like it's big. So yeah, you got the little thing right here and little handle. So I'm also going to show you guys ways you can wear it. I know I didn't do that with the Louis Vuitton bag that I did an unboxing video of, but now when I get bags, I'm gonna show ways you can wear it because I totally forgot to do that. But yeah, I've been watching so much bag related videos a lot and seeing ways you can style certain bags, because certain bags I have the style of it, but I just never thought about wearing it a certain way until I saw a video. So I'm gonna just take the plastic off and be right back. Open here, so here is this. These are the little things. So this is called the Cessily Crossbody bag. This is the name of it. Cessily, I don't know. Bag. And I'm honestly very impressed with Guess because Guess lately have been stepping up their game. They have been stepping up their game with their bags. Like, their bags look so nice, and I feel like Guess is not a brand that really get a lot of attention like that. But they have a lot of nice looking bags, honestly, and I'm very impressed with them, and I'm very impressed with this quality too. So when you open it up, this, you have your little things right here so that it could just close like that. And then you have these. I could have sworn this was a crossbody. Or I don't think, maybe I'm confusing this with something with the other bag. Yeah, I don't think it's a crossbody, never mind. So here's the inside. So you got a zipper here. You got some pockets, 2 pockets here. And then, oh, there's a third pocket. Maybe you can see that. There's a third pocket down here too. So, yeah, the inside is looking really, really nice. It looks roomy. I thought it was going to be like much bigger in the inside. It's not, so that's a good thing because all I need to put in here is my wallet, my keys, well, not my phone, because I don't use my phone in my bag like that. My AirPods. So I'm gonna just do that right now because I've seen people do those in their videos. show how many items could fit in the bag, so I'm gonna just do that real quick. Oh yeah, so by the way, I did get my lashes done like a couple of weeks ago, so yeah, guys, if you can see that, posted on my Instagram about it. So if you're following me on Instagram, yeah, we're no, but just want to put it out there. It's not like mascara that's making my eyelashes look like that. I actually put lash extensions on. So yeah, alright, so here's my wallet. So I'll put my wallet in here, my keys, and then my AirPods. So as you can see, it could fit more stuff in here. Like my phone could fit in here if I want to put my phone in here. What else could fit in there? Other things could fit in there too, but it could fit quite a lot of stuff. So very happy with that. And yeah, this coffee is like very, very nice. Like I really like that. So ooh, so pretty. Honestly, just like another red bag I got. I know this is like more of a burgundy maroon type of color. My first guest bag, it was a red bag, so I don't know, something about this color I just really like, and I don't have any velvet bags, so that's why I really wanted this. So here it is. Oh, you can wear it as a crossbody. Oh, okay, so you can wear it like this. I'm gonna show you guys different ways, by the way, and then you can pull this and wear it as a crossbody. I like that. I like when bags do that. So right now, I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks in different styles, and yeah. So this is one way you can wear it, like that. Really nice. I think I will wear it like this. Pretty good. And then the other way can be like this, which you can wear it like that. Or you can just like that, which it reaches up to my waist. So these are 3 different ways you can pretty much wear this bag. It is big. It is big. I mean, I like it the original way. So yeah, that's all. The other way I forgot to show, which is the 4th way, you can wear it like a clutch if you want to, but I'm not gonna wear it like that, but that's also an option too. So yeah, that's just the review on the bag, you guys. I actually like it even more now. Before, when I said something about it, I was like, oh my gosh, it's too big. But yeah, this is how the bottom looks like. Really nice. I mean, it's still nice and affordable. Honestly, Guess is really affordable to get, and I feel like people are sleeping on Guess. But yeah, I like the fact that you can adjust it different ways. They kind of remind me of the Gucci bags that you can do that with, so I think that's very, very nice and handy. For some reason, I thought the strings were gonna look longer. I don't know why, and I thought there was like an extra string it came with, but no. But yeah, I mean, I guess this would be like good for if you go to like a party or dinner, probably. Depends if you want to bring a bag like this in those occasions. But I don't know where I would wear this yet, but it's really cute. It's really nice. And like I said, they have an even smaller version of this one. But I don't know how small it is compared to this one, because I tried looking up videos of this, like reviews and everything, but like hardly anyone got the velvet ones. They got like the regular leather ones, but the velvet ones, I didn't see no reviews on these, so I'm just like, okay. But anyways, guys, let me know what y'all think about this bag. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the notification if you haven't, follow me on my social media, description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video.
Major part of my life. Hey boy, I wanna be your wife, 'cause you're a major part of my life.